what I try to do is incorporate instruments, but so I just get kids to play a very simple chord, which would be A minor, not perhaps that simple, but we don't have any changes. It's just once their hand is in place, that's it, you know. And we aim for a very simplified version of the melody, which would be like very simple, like A, G, 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 E, E, E. Notice the rhythm. The board, so everybody we sing it, and we would go A, G, 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 E, E, E. So the rhythm is big, you see. A, G, 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 E, E, E. So should we try the verse, the chorus, I should say. So I would start with the rhythm. Everybody might be clapping. So what we play there is similarly, we just have to keep on the same chord. This is not practical to change it, but so we just do. So that everybody else would be whistles, glockenspiels, maybe piano. E, 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 G, or G. About simple as you get it. That's like now.